Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Xfinity Now Pass to your TV in 2026. Now, before connecting your TV, you will need to make sure that your Xfinity Now Pass is already purchased and activated. Typically, this is done through a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. So you need to visit to the Xfinity Now portal, and here, first of all, complete your purchase. Afterwards, you just have to click on the option of the sign in button on the top right hand corner. Then you need to sign in here with the help of your account credentials. Now, once activation is completed, your pass will be ready for compatible device connections. Now, once this is done, you just have to turn on your smart TV or streaming device and navigate to the network settings section. Usually, this can be found under settings, network, or internet settings or Wi-Fi setup. From there, you need to search for available wireless networks nearby. So when the available network appears, you need to look for the correct Xfinity hotspot connection, which may display as Xfinity Wi-Fi or Now Xfinity or Xfinity. So you need to select the appropriate network to begin the connection process. After connecting, many devices will prompt you to sign in through a captive portal or browse authentication page. So you need to enter your Xfinity Now Pass email, password, and account credentials. So once the authentication is completed, your TV should connect to the internet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.